Welcome back everyone. Today we are looking at how to create interactive web apps with HTML and CSS in 5 minutes, 0 install. If you want to achieve professional results fast without spending money on expensive software or complex setups, this tutorial is for you. We are going to do this completely inside the web browser in just a few simple steps. First, open up your browser and head over to the tool we are using today. Everything here is completely free and accessible without any account registration. Next, follow along with what you see on the screen as we configure the necessary inputs. Notice how straightforward the interface is. Just enter your parameters, set your options, and click Run. The model processes the request in real time directly on the web. Look at the output right here on screen. The results are remarkably sharp, clean, and instant. You can easily save, export, or integrate this into your daily workflow or projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more free AI workflows, and I will see you in the next video.